High on the leagues to that's Silas Ramsbottom. Hilarious.
Wala ka ba sa love at first sight? Hindi. And second sight? Pwede.
Dahil aga Buddha.
Kung princess yun sa kabila, ako Buddha.
Yeah, naman. Oh. Ikaw yung alay.
Talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 na gising ako. Eh, walang alarma ng anything. Tumayo talaga ako. Ito lang.
Why you gotta disrespect, bro? I do respect you, bro.
I say disco, you say papi. Disco, disco, papi, papi.
Goddess. Is that my voice? Is that my voice? Oh well.
Sure? Ba't nagsalita ng ganun? No, ito na lang. Kasi I've been waiting for a sorry. A personal sorry.
Hope you cleaned your hair out of the drain.
I had to clean your hair every day.
Shut up!
I could honestly eat it for every meal, or just eat it all the time without even stopping. I get fat. No, why would I get fat? Bread makes you fat.
Bread makes you fat?
Ano sa niya, Mom, I hope you don't mind. Sabi ko,
Okay.
yes. Hilo pa ako. I just have to know, are you pregnant? Sabi ko, no, I'm not pregnant. Nakakaloka. Most Pinoys love the head. Diba? Sinisip-sip talaga yung ulo. Yes! Ang hipon! Ang hipon! Yes! Kasi! Oo. Talaga? Oo, sobra. I feel I'm so normal. Ah! Sabi na mo! Ganun ba yun? Alam. Darla, bibilang kita ng black polo because I love you.
Thank you, Chris.
Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large. Okay. Kanina talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 na gising ako.